Hi there, and welcome to the very first Tech Travel Geeks video. We're starting on a high note with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 phone. It's Samsung's flagship phone for the first half of 2018, so the expectations are high. So let's see what we have here. This is the official UK version of the phone, pre-ordered from Samsung, so you can see the original packaging with some paperwork and, of course, the new Samsung Plus 6S. S9 Plus. On the box, in addition to Mateo's reflection, you can see the latest specs. The fantastic 6.2-inch Super AMOLED screen, which was recently crowned DisplayMate's best screen ever, overtaking Samsung's iPhone X screen. The fantastic camera, again crowned the best camera by DxOMark, overtaking Google's Pixel 2 camera. Stereo speakers, finally, and headphones, no dongles, both tuned by AKG, as well as some other usual stuff and some improved stats. So far, so good. Okay, so it's time to open the actual box now. Once we open it, we actually don't see the phone itself just yet, but the packaging for the SIM eject tool, as well as some other paperwork. And finally, the phone. I still think it's one of the most beautiful phones on the market. It looks lovely, just look at it. So let's get rid of some of the protective wrap. The front and back are easy enough, but the sides were very finicky and difficult to remove. But once we're through with it, we can get the nano SIM card in and boot up the device. Yeah, it worked. To finish off, let's see what else we get in the box. A travel adapter, a USB Type-C to USB female adapter for data transfer from the old phone, the micro USB to Type-C adapter, a USB cable, headphone rubbers, and the AKG headphones. Yes, there's actually a phone with the headphone jack in 2018. The S9 Plus and the S8 Plus boxes are really similar, with the S9 being slightly taller, maybe to handle the extra camera and double the internal storage. But when you look at the phones, you actually find it really difficult to tell them apart when looking at them from the front. The only difference is that the top and bottom bezels are thinner by around 1.4 mm total. Not that much, but it does make a bit of a difference, at least to me. I have to justify getting this phone, don't I? The sides are the same, but the real difference is with the backs. We get two cameras this time, and the fingerprint reader is finally underneath them rather than at the side. So we can see that Samsung have finally been listening to the users and reviewers and fixed the most irritating feature of their last year's phones. I've now been using the S9 Plus for 2 weeks and have been enjoying it a lot, especially thanks to the small improvements like stereo speakers, better and faster unlocking, amazing screen, and most importantly, the fantastic camera. Overall, a great phone altogether. We're sure to discuss this device in future videos, including the reimagined camera with dual aperture lens and new frame rates for shooting slow motion video. Let us know in the comments below what other content you'd like to see. But for now, thanks for watching, and again, welcome to Tech Travel Geeks.